So Jennifer, what is Northwest Solar Rover?
So Northwest Solar Rover is basically a solar powerhouse on wheels. So it's an off-grid generator that's clean and quiet, which is the most important thing.
What sparked the idea for the Solar Rover?
I actually was doing residential solar design, and I read about a solar trailer being used during Hurricane Sandy to help people power their flashlights and their cell phones, and I just thought it was like the best idea, and I thought we could really use one in the Northwest. We've powered everything you can think of, from cell phones to bands to cars, just in everything in between. Yeah.
How much power can the Northwest Solar Rover produce?
So the Solar Rover does 1,710 watts, and it has 18 hours of kilowatt hour battery storage capacity.
What is the easiest way for people to get in contact with Northwest Solar Rover?
The best way to find us is our website, northwestsolarover.com. You can send us a contact message there, or you can call us. All of our info is on there. So here we have 3 panels on the side and 3 panels up top. They're 285 watts each. They're LG monocrystalline panels. So the power comes down from the panels into the inverter. This is a Xantrax 4500 watt inverter. And over here I have 2 charge controllers because there's 2 separate arrays. It won't drop the power level on the arrays having the separate ones. And then the power either goes from here to the loads, or it goes into the battery here. Right now we've got this fan plugged in, and it's running purely off the panels. So depending on the time of day or the load capacity, the energy is usually coming just from the panels or the batteries, or a combination of both.